Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chief Vera's channel. This is one of the dopest channels from the southeast. So guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Chief Vera here as always. Guys, on today's episode we'll be going to Enugu's evening fresh food market. So this market starts from late in the afternoon, let's say 3 p.m 4 p.m around that time, and right now it's almost time for that market. It's evening already, and I'll be heading over to the market to show you what it looks like, what a Nigerian food market looks like, you know, the bustles and the hustles of the food market, sellers calling and beckoning on customers bargaining, displays of fresh food items, vegetables, and all that interesting things. So this market basically serves people who work, who wish to buy food items, but we are unable to buy in the afternoon. So this is where they go to buy things that are fresh, because most of the sellers come directly from their farms to this place to sell food items. And I do not really have anything in mind to buy, but for the sake of this vlog and for the sake of my latest cravings, which is ice fish, I'm talking about the normal ice fish, scumbia and the brothers. I'm not talking about the catfish, aka point and kill. I don't like point and kill at all, especially when it's cooked. I can manage the barbecue one, yeah, but once it's cooked, it's a no for your girl. Okay, so I'll be buying the fish or fishes, and then vegetables and every other thing I feel I can easily make this night, because the fish I'm going to prepare this night and eat all of it. Yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and as usual, I'll be taking you guys along with me to show you everything that needs to be shown, or that is to be shown. And if you like this vlog, please like it, share with your friends and your family, especially those of them outside Nigeria that have been requesting to see food market. Make sure you share this with those people, and like this video. Like I said, drop your comments, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the market. Bye bye. In fact, bian gaija benafia ori ipotalota gaija afia. Oh. And wait till one of my friends called me Mommy Go because of this. I'm having a bad hair day. I loosened my braids and I've not done anything to my hair. Of course, you guys know I'm wearing my natural hair, so, and you know, natural hair is a struggle to maintain. So I just did some things underneath it. That's why I'm tying this turban. But my friends saw me and said, "Hey, Mommy Go, so maybe my church will open on Sunday. Please remember to pay your tithes. Your baby girl needs the tithes." Okay, so I'll see you guys at the markets.
When you make up your dreams, there'll be a distinction. I'm gonna go lemon. Lemon.
Aga ndewo. This is lemon ego neki nele. Oh. Allah. Ego lemon na. Nke a tangerine ọkwa ya. Ofumbo 200. 300. Ofumbo.
Hey guys, welcome to the market. We are here right now looking at those eggs. Eggs in Enugu cost 50 naira per one, and if you're buying from the market, they sell to you 400 naira. Now this is how sellers prove to you that their okra is healthy and of a nice species. And my jar ended up being bigger than the actual okra that I got. I bought 100 naira worth of okra. The shopping bag sells for 30 naira. The last time I bought it, it was 20 naira. I don't know how prices hike in Nigeria. It's crazy, guys, really. I like how these sellers position themselves in places they know they will make sales. So just look at how this ugu seller or this vegetable seller positioned herself close to the okra seller, or even the okra seller had to position herself close to the ugu seller, because after buying okra, the next logical thing you'd consider is to buy a vegetable you make the soup with, right? So that is just, this is marketing 101, and these women are practicalizing it. So for those of you that will come and say ndi badaga or that these market women are illiterate, they may not go to school, but they know what they're doing. That is the common sense, and this is what a lot of you pay lots of money for on Instagram, for masterclass that teaching you how to position yourself and your brand to sell things. But neck and dane, real life and direct. Right now, there are lots of interesting and healthy meals and fruits that are in season. Over there is his pear, also known as uboka, and over here is my arch enemy, onions. Guys, you know I don't eat onions. Okay, tomatoes, pepper, potato, all fresh from the farm. And yeah, I stopped over to buy pepper. In case you do not know, the yellow peppers are often referred to as osensoka. That pepper is very spicy, very spicy. This is more like the fish area. Over there is the roasted fish. It's roasted over fire, and that is the ice fish which I came to buy. And yeah, that is just what you see here. Now for me, I ended up buying 700 naira worth of fish. Each of the fish goes for 350, so that is my fish being cut into sizable bits. A lot of people do not eat this kind of fish, this cumbia, because especially those from Anambra, Idemili to be precise, they claim it looks like python, eke, like the skin, and because they revere eke, they do not eat this fish because it feels like they're eating eke, which they're not supposed to eat based on their cultural demands and all. But for me, I'm looking at a fish. I bought a fish from the market, and after cooking it, it's still going to be that fish, so I eat it. Thank you, and you're welcome. Let's keep moving, guys. Now this is okpa and iboka and another thing they call uzake. I've never eaten that uzake, so I don't even know how it tastes. I intentionally stopped at this woman's to show you what achicha looks like. A lot of people do not know what achicha looks like before it's being prepared, so this is what it looks like. And a portion of this costs 100 naira, while a penta of it costs 1,700 naira to 1,900 depending on whom you are buying. And beside it is abacha, that is dry abacha there before it's being prepared into that delicacy you all enjoy eating Over there by the left are local spices such as okpei, ogilia, kango, and other things, and then raw cocoyam. I also had to stop over to buy unripe plantain because your baby girl also needs iron in her body, because my antibodies need to be on point at all times. So each of these plantain according to her sells for 500 naira. Keep walking with me as I show off all the natural foods we have here. Over this is still akede, palm kernel nuts aka apple, okra, yeah, pepper as usual. And guys, guess what? I mean, this is the best thing I like eating my okra soup with. What do you guys call this in your village? I'm not going to tell you what this is. If you know, you know. Really, if you know, you know. Actually, this thing that if you know, you know, cost 15 naira per one. So if you know what it is, tell me in the comments section. Right, moving, these are still vegetable people. Look at how greeny they're all looking and very fresh. And these women are going to finish selling all of these this night or this evening. Now this is the gari session. So you have your white or your yellow gari as usual. And new yam has started coming out in Enugu. At least that's what I know for sure. And I'm about leaving the market because I've basically covered this evening market. And over there is your crayfish, and I'm sure the seller is going to say, yeah, it's from Oron. Oron is a place in Calabar or Akwa Ibom where they boast of nice crayfish. So guys, we've come to the end of this vlog, and as usual, I do not joke with fruit. I cannot come to the market and not go home with even if it's half piece of pineapple or orange or anything. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you were able to feel all of the vibes and what it is to feel in this market. And if you did, like I said, please share this video, drop a comment below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Do have a lovely time wherever you are.
Thank you.